WISP introduced simple active tactics and PG building glass for the purpose of recycling glass offcuts. The glass offcuts are being processed by Simple Active Tactics in Atlantis for use as filtration media and sandblasting replacement. Simple Active Tactics specializes in the sourcing, manufacture and processing of unique industrial minerals, metals and granular abrasives, adding value through saving costs, reducing consumption and recycling. PG Glass was sending all of its material to landfill at the general waste gate fee of 450 Rand. This synergy has therefore reduced waste to landfill by at least 240 tons per year. A fossil greenhouse gas saving of 500 tons of carbon dioxide, which is equivalent to 16,000 trees planted. The costs of avoiding landfill gate fees amount to 100,000 Rand per year. PG Glass is currently transporting the material to Simple Active Tactics in shared loads with the delivery of products to their clients in Atlantis, which is a cost saving on waste logistics for PG Glass. There's a value add process of 1,000 Rand per ton for SAT. Roughly 240,000 Rand of additional revenue is generated by Simple Active Tactics per year. A premium is paid by Simple Active Tactics to PG Glass for the glass. Therefore, PG Glass is receiving an additional 50,000 Rand per year to add to their disposal cost saving. Simple Active Tactics invested 1 million Rand to build their current plant. This raw material consignment meets 1/3 of their processing capacity. Simple Active Tactics has attributed 2 of their 3 current full-time employees in glass processing to this synergy.
We met Simple Active Tactics through one of the companies that they were servicing in Atlantis for other kinds of waste. We met them thinking that they were only going to be managing shot blasting grit, and it turned out that they were also keen to recycle glass.
So we engaged with WISP due to the fact that one of the key success factors in this business is the availability of raw material. And WISP had the contacts to be able to put us in a position where we got consistent raw material. And that's how we got involved with them.
Our waste reduction has gone from 150 tons a month down to 90 tons a month. So the annual saving is about 660 tons per year.
This was a first for us in glass recycling. We'd now found Simple Active Tactics and we knew about the waste glass from PG Glass. So it took a little bit of time to create the synergy and to introduce the 2 companies. But once we had done that, we had found a complete solution for waste glass and a replicable synergy. So we've now replicated it 3 times since then.
There's multiple benefits. We're trying to be green, but there's certain things we cannot do. Like our cullet was going to landfill with our general waste. The clear cullet was going to Springs, but the rest of it was going to landfill. Landfill is being filled up, there's not going to be room left. So we were looking for avenues to recycle a bit more. Our glass cannot be recycled by console. The makeup of the glass is not suitable for bottles, so they don't want it. And by sending it to Charles, at least we're getting, I think there's now 60% of our glass goes to recycling, whereas we were doing 10% back to Springs.
I found it very rewarding to see a company so passionate about recycling and with such a large impact. They're now able to recycle 80 tons a month of glass waste, and this is something that we've previously been throwing away in the province. So not only is it reducing waste to landfill, but we're having increased economic activity, new jobs, new revenue streams being created, and I just think it's fantastic.